start.
Yes.
Andrew is unwrapping his Christmas gifts. Let's see what he gets. Why are you doing with your mouth? What did you get, Andrew? Show me, what did you get for Christmas? Wow. You like it? Open your other gift. Open your other gift.
No.
Debu, you like this?
No.
Box of nail polish.
I like.
Beulah! Beulah! Look, she won't come.
I thought this one.
Not coming. What is this? Those are his cars. Debu, what is that of yours?
Open and check.
Bath kit. And what else you got? This you don't have to open this. This Debu will help you with that. Show your other gift. Don't open this whole thing. Debu will show you. Debu's opening.
This is mine.
That's yours. Where's your other car? Okay, let it be. Sit down. Open yours. Debu, what this is?
So.
And what is in there?
Facial dry wet wipe.
Arey, let.
Bismillah.
Okay. Andrew, what's your next gift? What's your other gift, Debu? Andrew, what's your other gift? Puzzle. Slowly. You got a puzzle. Show me. Now don't open that. Just open this. And what is this? Bible. And open the other one. Open. Open. Now open that one. Beulah's only enjoying talking to Dad. Open it fully. See what's Debu opening. Andrew, what's this? One of your favorites. You know what's this? This is Play-Doh. You like this Play-Doh, na? And what's your other gift? This one. Debu, show me your gift. And open your other gift. Show me and what else you got. It has charms even, no?
It has a solution. It's a tiny one. It's a tiny one. Let me choose. Wow.
Wow, you got Lego. What's your favorite gift? And what else? You got shoes even, Andrew. See here your shoes. Open.
Wow.
Show everyone what shoes you got. The Bible, Mama will open it. Not like that. Like this. You take it over here. Show everyone what kind of shoes you got, na Andrew? You love your shoes. This is Lego. I thought you like these are your favorite.
All
Oh, this Play-Doh.
the gifts are my favorite.
Hmm.
What's what's blown up one?
That's puzzle. Achha, tell me something, Andrew. How did you like all your gifts? Don't bite that, Mama will do it. Okay, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to who?
Santa.
Merry Christmas to Santa, you say. Merry Christmas to everyone. My little beauty queen. Merry Christmas to everyone. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy